Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
This method uses 3 quick steps to create or import a corpus. First, log in and choose New Corpus, then upload files or point to a URL. Upload plain text or a zip of up to 100,000 words per file, keeping each file under 1 MB when possible to speed processing. Expect setup in about 30 seconds for small corpora and longer for larger files. Choose a language, set tokenization options, and accept defaults the first time to learn the interface quickly and reproducibly. Generate a concordance with 3 clicks and filter by tag or lemma. Enter a search string or use an advanced query, then click concordance and apply filters for part of speech or lemma. Use WordSketch to view the top 50 collocates for any lemma, showing grammatical relations and left/right windows. Run frequency lists to spot keywords and set a minimum frequency of 5 to remove noise. Combine concordance lines with quick view. Sort by frequency or dispersion, and mark examples for export or annotation. Export results as CSV, TSV, XML, or Excel for up to 100,000 lines, choosing delimiter and encoding options before download. Save searches as reusable queries and assign clear names so you can rerun them or automate reporting. Share corpora or results via a link or export package that colleagues can import. Set permissions if your account supports team access. Use the batch export to create multiple frequency lists or concordances at once, and document your steps for reproducibility and future audits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.